Sanbonani, ngiyanamukela to another video of Khabula the Tea, the only channel la esiphuza khona itiye mase singajaji. Lana nangubandi Ndlovu ebuyile. Ubuyile usisi we-BBL yaseNigeria. Ubuyile eSouth Africa. She's at home in Katlehong. She's renovating umuzi wakubo and happy, and she's not hiding that she's back, and she's doing a great thing to renovate umuzi wakubo. But asibuyeleni lana ke. Niyakhumbula when she went on a live and kuthiwa yey wena Wandi bathatha passport yakho lapha eNigeria ngoba you are failing to pay for the BBL. Kwathiwa ipimp yakhe emsuse la eSouth Africa yamyisa eNigeria imenza iBBL, and then she needs to pay for the BBL, but because she was failing to pay for the BBL, then yathatha passport yakhe, so akasakwazi ukubuya. I remember she trended and she shook social media up for that. Useqedile ukukhokha or vele leya kwakwamanga, because she kept denying it in the live ukuthi ayikho leyo nto, and now she's back. Or it was true but she managed to pay because she recently went to Dubai. She went to Dubai, and after the Dubai trip, and now she's in South Africa. So it only makes sense if she really did owe for the BBL. So now this means Owandi had to go to Dubai and do what they do in Dubai. We know what they do in Dubai, right? And then get the money from Habibi and then pay for the BBL, and then got her passports and then came back home. She made so much money now that she's even renovating Gobo. Let me know what you think in the comment section, please. Let's talk about this one. This is very juicy. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.